Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2009 to 2014 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the cab from your frame. With a 27mm socket, remove the bolt retaining your leaf spring. Cut off your leaf spring bracket and any obstructions in the work area. Step 3. After removing your bracket, you will need to cut and remove the bottom section of your frame rail where your frame section will sit. To do this, hold your leaf spring frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Then, cut approximately ½ inch off the bottom of the frame. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Our part features a perforated plate that you can remove to fit over your existing rear cab mount. If you decide to keep your mount, remove the perforated plate at this time. If not, cut off your existing mount. The plate you will need to remove will depend on your cab. Step 5. Slide your leaf spring frame section onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can clamp your part into place with a C-clamp to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your leaf spring frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. If you removed your rear cab mount, we show you how to reinstall it with the installation video on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!